So the coziest weather is here, and if you have no idea what to wear during fall and how to transition from summer to fall, then this video is for you. Hi guys, my name is Dikshita and welcome to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So I am back with a new video, and in today's video I want to talk about how to transition from summers to fall fashionably. So winters are almost here, or rather I would say fall is almost here, and this time fall feels a little late, like it's still very humid and everything, but I know it will get chilly pretty soon, and these pointers will be very helpful for you then. So in today's video I'll tell you about different hacks and ways in which you can use your summer clothes, and also I'll do an entire lookbook along with it, so you'll have a lot of outfit ideas too at the same time. So now the first point and the most important clothing pieces that you need for fall are some long sleeve tops or jersey मटेरियल वाली जो बहुत लाइट स्वेटशर्ट्स होती हैं, like something like this. Now I got this from H&M. I actually shopped quite a lot from H&M recently, so there will be a haul. मतलब अभी नहीं, somewhere around the end of this month, because there are a lot of things that are still on the transition and they're still coming. But yes, this is one of the first pieces I got from there, and it is such a comfy jersey material का full sleeve top. Now something like this is such a must-have piece for fall, I would say.
So this is the first outfit, and for this I took the same long sleeve shirt that I was talking about. I've tied it at the front, but then you can tuck it, you can tie it. अगर ज़्यादा ठंडा है तो tuck कर लो. And then these jeans and some furry sliders, because they keep me really warm, like these furry thing. बहुत गर्म से रहते हैं. And then to match that I'm wearing this black watch, since black, and I completed the look with this really beautiful coin necklace. And this is the final outfit. I think this is such a cozy, comfy vibe.
Now speaking about full sleeve tops brings me to my second point, which is these kind of high neck, very fitted tops. They can be worn as it is, or you can layer things outside it. That's such a cute look of wearing a top like this, क्योंकि बहुत fitted होता है, तो if you layer a spaghetti top over it, it will look really good.
So now for this outfit I'm wearing this turtleneck that I got from H&M. This one is in lavender color, and I think you need to have a couple of these in black and white at least, and then आप colorful के लिए भी जा सकते हो. And I paired this with these white pants. Now I went with a little dressed up look, so I wore these white heels with it. And then for my jewelry I layered a lot of necklaces.
So shirts are also very good pieces for wearing during fall, and plaid shirts or flannels look so cute. Like I have this one red color ka shirt. It's still in storage actually, that's why I can't show you, but I'll put on a picture here. It looks so cute, and it's thicker material because it's a flannel. Flannels are usually so thick, so they're the best for fall.
So for the shirt outfit, as I said, you can take any shirt and then layer another t-shirt inside it, और उसको थोड़ा सा सामने से unbutton रखो and tuck it inside your pants. So I've unbuttoned the last button, which is already tucked inside my pant, if you can see, and I'm wearing these blue denims over it. Now I completed the look with these yellow mules to make it kind of little cohesive with yellow on yellow.
Now the next way is by using spaghetti tops. I'm pretty sure all of you have spaghetti tops, since they are such a closet essential. So like something like this, maybe it's a spaghetti top that I got from Shein. And obviously you can't wear this as it is during fall because you'll feel so damn chilly. But then आप इसको layer कर सकते हो over something.
For this outfit, I took the same spaghetti top and I layered it outside a white t-shirt. Now this is for places where it does not get very chilly, so up still half sleeve पहन के you'll be fine with it. And then I paired both of these with these white pants. I think this is such a cute look. So next I wore these nude flats with it, and then these statement gold hoops, and this is it. I'll show you one more outfit with same layering, so let's get to that. So this is the next outfit. For this I took a long sleeve, and then I layered this spaghetti top जो कि बहुत अच्छा maroon से color का है, so really goes well with the fall vibe. Again the same pants, and I switched my shoes to these mules. and then completed the look with this chunky gold jewelry. So you can totally customize everything according to where you live, but I think you've got a solid idea of what I'm talking about and कैसे outfit create करना है.
Now layering reminds me of my next 2 points actually. So for the fifth one of the biggest fall essential and something that you definitely need in your closet is a denim jacket. Denim jacket is one of the best way of making your outfits a little warmer but then super cute too.
So for a white t-shirt plus jeans outfit, how we'll transition into a fall look? So I wore a denim jacket on top of it, and this has become such a quite casual look. Now denim and denim is again another trend जो कि काफ़ी सही रहता है, and if you don't know what to wear then go for denim on denim. I've done an entire video on this actually, काफ़ी time हो गया है, but I'll still link it here and you can watch it. मैं description bar में भी उसका link डाल दूँगी. So this is the next outfit. Now wait, let me complete this with one more step. So I put on this colorful bag here, and if you notice my accessories, सबसे पहले तो t-shirt में भी there are different colors here. Then I matched this bag with it because bag भी काफ़ी colorful है, and my sliders are these sparkly colorful sliders. So see, this is such a cohesive look and इतना casual look बन गया है.
Now coming to my sixth point, which is again based on layering, is to wear any kimonos, shrugs और cardigans over your outfit. थोड़ा सा देख लो कि कैसा मौसम रहता है where you live. If it gets cooler more, then go for knitted cardigans और chunky थोड़ा सा हो. And if it's not that cool, थोड़ा गर्म सा ही रहता है, then go for thin cardigans like these because they give you the appropriate amount of warmth, if you get what I mean. So cardigans or shrugs are again very good for fall, and layering is actually one of your go-tos for fall because if you feel like it's थोड़ा सा गर्म लग रहा है, then you can remove a layer, and if you feel like थोड़ा ठंडा है, then you can put on that layer back on.
So now for this outfit, I'm taking this burnt orange pants that I have. I think these are the best clothing piece for autumn winters, and then I paired a basic navy blue t-shirt on top of it. I think navy blues type के दोनों colors बहुत अच्छे से साथ में जाते हैं. So now on top of it I've added this shrug here, and the shrug has really beautiful work all over it. I completed it with black belt and these black and white flats, and then since ये silver है, so I've added silver Deathly Hallows necklace. Also please tell me in the comment section how many of you are Potterheads here. I would love to know because I'm a big fan of Harry Potter.
Now coming to the bottom wear part of the outfit, what you wear during summers a lot is shorts, and how to transition from summer to fall is to wear a lot of jeans. So definitely go for jeans or trousers also, मतलब jeans, twill trousers, normal trousers, cotton pants. So that is the 7th point, and this is my outfit with jeans.
So for this outfit I'm wearing this blue Levi's. I'm pretty sure by now you all know about it because I talk about them all the time. And then I paired a dark blue top over it, and then I even forgot to mention that you can wear a thin wind cheater like this. This is like athletic wear, it's like athleisure, so it's not super warm कि आपको uncomfortable feel हो, but then it's that appropriate amount of warmth that you need during fall evenings. So ये भी काफ़ी अच्छा लुक है, काफ़ी कैजुअल लुक है. एंड देन आई कम्प्लीटेड माई आउटफिट विद दी स्पार्कली स्लाइडर्स अगेन, थोड़ा सा कैजुअल एथलीजर वाइब को मैच करते हुए. ऑल्सो दिस वन हैज़ दिस मरून बरगंडी ऑल ओवर इट, और सेम स्लाइडर्स में भी है, सो इट्स कोहेसिव एंड दीज आर वेरी फॉल अप्रोप्रिएट कलर्स.
Now coming to the 8th point, if you're feeling a little fancy or you have to go to a good event or you want to dress up just for the sake of it, then what to wear? Now I think for days like this, go for midi skirts. I think midi skirts look so damn classy and they're so cute, and if styled properly they'll make you look so good. So something like this, I have this skirt from Shein which I've shown time and again in so many videos.
So this is my way of dressing up this skirt a little, and if you're an OG on this channel then you know where this outfit is from, and if you know then tell me in the comment section. Let's see how many of you are following me for a long time. So this outfit looks really good. I again took the same skirt. This skirt is so beautiful, like because of the shimmery velvety texture. It looks so pretty. So this bodysuit has this overlapping detailing at the neck और ये काफ़ी थोड़ा सा puffy है, so it feels very structured and powerful. And this one is of a very thick material actually, so you cannot wear it during summers. Like it's appropriate for fall only because ये बहुत thick है. And then it looks so pretty with this skirt. So I completed the look with these nude heels, and if you want to know where I got them from, check out the last video that went up on the channel. I completed the look with these transparent statement earrings.
You can even wear something like this with maybe that white H&M का sweatshirt kind of thing that I showed you in the start of this video. उसको इसके अंदर टक करके पहनो and wear boots with it. Black boots, कितना सही look आएगा. And now the 9th point, which is not about any specific clothing pieces, but about the colors that you should wear. Not you should, because you can wear whatever you want, but the colors that really go well during fall season. Now we all know fall is season of browns and oranges and very warm colors. So try to maintain this earthy tones या फिर warm tones के aesthetic for your clothes.
So if you want to get into the fall vibe but then you cannot wear something full or anything, then go for an outfit like this. Fall के colors के साथ play करो. Take any t-shirt in which you will not feel uncomfortable and then go for pants and colors like rust orange or olive green. Very fall colors as I mentioned earlier. And then here I am wearing this black belt. I really like the combination of black and rust orange. And then these mules here. These mules again, जो इसका warm tone है, ये काफ़ी इसके साथ जा रहा है. And this is the outfit. The outfit looks so cute. I went with silver hoops and this is it.
And now the last and the final point is to choose your accessories wisely. And accessories से अपने आप को थोड़ा अपने look को थोड़ा सा fall type का बनाओ. Now first one is to definitely go for boots if you can. Like if it's थोड़ा सा chilly, then go for boots. Boots look really cute. छोटा सा heel हो उसमें, and it will make your outfit so much better. And then again, I personally am a big fan of sliders plus socks वाला look. I know it is such a 90s trend, but I love wearing my comfy fuzzy socks with sliders. So you can go for that, or you can carry maybe cotton का scarf. मतलब अगर उतना ठंडा नहीं हो रहा, don't go for chunky scarf. And yes, with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. So if you appreciate my efforts, then please give this video a big thumbs up. That will really help this channel. Let's get to 10k subscribers. So if you have not already subscribed, then subscribe to my channel. Click on this red button to subscribe and then click on the bell sign too. Also, this is my Instagram handle right here. Please make sure that you follow me there. Don't forget, I upload a new video every Monday and Thursday at 11 AM. So Monday, Thursday channel पे ज़रूर आना. I would love to meet you. And I will see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye.